evaluate the integral of ln x over the square root of x dx. So we can use integration by parts, or IBP for short. The formula is given by the integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. So we can let u be equal to ln x, and we can let dv be equal to dx over square root of x. So we will differentiate u, derivative of u du, derivative of ln x, that's 1 over x dx. For dv, we will integrate both sides, so the integral of dv is v. And for the integral of dx over square root of x, so we transform first the square root of x into fractional exponent, which is equal to x raised to 1 half. And applying negative law of exponent, dx over x raised to 1 half is also the same as x to the negative 1 half dx. So to evaluate this integral, we can simply apply the power rule. That is, the integral of x to the negative 1 half is x to the negative 1 half plus 1 over negative 1 half plus 1, which is x raised to positive 1 half over 1 half. And then get the reciprocal of 1 half, that's 2 times x raised to 1 half. So this is the value of v, 2x raised to 1 half. And therefore, using the integration by parts formula, the integral of ln x over the square root of x dx is equal to uv, u is ln x, times the v, which is 2x raised to 1 half, then minus the integral of v du, so v is 2x raised to 1 half, and the du is 1 over x dx. So, we write this first as 2x raised to 1 half ln x, then minus, we put the constant 2 in front, 2 integral of x raised to 1 half times 1 over x. So, we're dividing same base x, so applying division law of exponent, we just copy the same base x and subtract the exponent of the numerator 1 half minus the exponent of denominator 1. So we have x raised to 1 half minus 1, or negative 1 half dx. So we have 2x raised to 1 half ln x minus 2 integral of x raised to negative 1 half. So same as this one, equal to 2x raised to 1 half, right? So I have negative 2 times integral of x raised to negative 1 half dx is 2x raised to 1 half. Then put plus c for the constant of integration. So I have 2x raised to 1 half ln x minus 2 times 2 for x raised to 1 half plus c. Or you can rewrite this x raised to 1 half in terms of radicals. We can also have 2 square root of x ln x minus 4 square root of x plus c. So this is the final answer.